Hello, this is a challenge for Monkey Dude 1313. It's gonna be who can take apart and put back together two 3x3s the fastest. I will be using Cube Timer to time it. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, and here's my hand out of the shot, and here we go. This is disassemble and reassemble the fastest. I just dropped a piece on the floor, I think. When the time comes, so I don't want to be wasting any time. Okay, so I'm put back together. Where is it? That's not it. It could be a piece I think I dropped. Oh, there's orange. Oh, crap. And I think that's a piece I dropped. Let me look through this again. You guys see where it went? Where? No. Heck. It was so messy. Oh, there it is. Now that it's already 2 minutes into it. Okay. Falling apart. Okay. Okay. And here's my last corner. Green. Green, white. Come on. Okay. I don't want no red. Okay, we're at 319. Okay. Okay, so there's one. Let's try not losing one this time. A piece this time. Okay. Let's start with this side. Okay. And what piece is it? This is harder because it's okay, we're at 436. Yeah, I'm slow or something. Where's the other piece go? That's what I hate about putting these things back together. I'm trying to do it fast. Can never find the stupid piece you need. Oh crap. I'm never gonna win. Never gonna win this challenge. And I'm challenging him. Wow. What the there it is. See, I almost resorted to swearing and I found it. Swearing's not good. Don't swear. It's not cool. Okay. Okay, so and wait, no, I want the red piece. Where's the last bottom corner? The light green. Get that in there. Okay. Crap. Where is it? No. There it is. Okay, we're at 6:30. Okay. Oop, I'm gonna get backwards. Come on. Okay, and we got 7 minutes, 5 seconds, and 34 milliseconds. Okay, and let's see if you can beat that monkey dude or whatever. Can't remember now. Okay, but thanks. Bye.